Nieces and nephews, you know what day it is.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Nieces and nephews, I've got a bountiful blessing today. I want to show you what kind of food pantry haul I got. Well, it's a produce haul. Produce! But we got some meat in here too, and some nice things as well. Come on, let's take a look at what I got and what I'm going to do with it. Starting from the left all the way to the right, we are going to look at this box of cornflakes. Yes. So many things you could do with cornflakes besides cereal. Did you know you can go fishing with these things? I know you're thinking, why? Well, you can mash these up with some flour and some other ingredients and make your own dough bait. Yes, you can. Look that up on the internet. Cornflake dough bait, it catches fish. Yes, it does. We've got more pasta. 6 boxes of macaroni and cheese. As I said before, I make my own cheese sauce. I do not use the one in the box. Besides, mine tastes better. Well, so I say. Anyway, we've got 2 cans of tomato soup. Wonderful tomato soup. That always hits the spot for me. It's one of my favorites. You can use it as pizza sauce. You can use it in spaghetti. You can use it all kinds of ways. You can even use it as a marinara dipping sauce for cheese sticks. Then we've got some spaghetti sauce and some wonderful diced tomatoes to go in that sauce. Some cut green beans. Some whole kernel corn. No salt added. I love that. Then we've got beans. Black beans. Yum. Put this in a soup or a salad. Yes, you can. You can put it in your regular salad or you can put it in a pasta salad. Just make sure you rinse them first if you're going to put them in a salad. Then we've got some refried beans. I'm going to show you guys this week how to make my bean dip. Plus, we're going to make some other cold dishes. We've got some kidney beans. You've already seen me do my kidney bean salad. And boy, is it delicious. Love kidney bean salad. Some sliced clean peaches. Put those in a smoothie. Some canned collard greens. And then up here, my absolute favorite, pink salmon. I'm going to show you my cold salmon dish with macaroni noodles. Oh, it is so good. That salmon salad is to die for. Then we've got chicken, white chicken in a can. This is so great for making chicken salad. I will show you my chicken salad. I'm going to show you my spicy chicken salad. You're going to love it. I'll tone down the spice a little bit. I'm not going to make it that hot, but I'll make it nice and spicy so that you will like it. Spice as in some Latin seasonings, not so much as steamy hot stuff, you know. We've got some mashed potatoes in a box. Instant potatoes are great. You could even put these together, then mix them with some egg and fry them with some cheese inside, and you got potato poppers. Oh yeah. Mazzaroli. I think I'm going to do 1 cold salad and 1 hot dish with these. I can do a garlic. Oh, wait a minute. I could do a lemon pepper cream sauce with the salmon. Or do I want to do my cold dish? I don't know. I'll decide. Then we can also do a nice cold dish with maybe some sliced sausage in it. Or beans. We'll see. We've got some tortillas. Flour ones. Now, these, those should be wheat. These wheat tortillas are good with, guess what? Mole. You make some enchiladas con mole and use these. Oh my God, they're so good. Then we've got some burger buns, pretzel burger buns. Ooh, these are nice. Then over here, chocolate chip cookies. And we've got a raspberry Danish donated by a local store. Both of these are donated by the local store, which is very nice. Very nice. Then back here, we've got some oatmeal. I love oatmeal. You can make cookies. You can make, oatmeal bars. Raspberry oatmeal bars would be delicious. Delicious. But I also got something down here that will go good with this too, and I'm going to show you in a minute. Let's jump over here. We've got some bananas. That's my mom used to say. Now, you may think these are no good, but they're okay. Guess what? Chop them up, put them in a pudding, put them in a smoothie. Freeze them, mix them with yogurt or milk, blend it up, and you can have a soft serve banana ice cream. And you can flavor it with some vanilla, with some cinnamon. It would be delicious. We have a bag of green apples. I can make green juice. I can make a Granny Smith pie. I could just chop it up and put it in a salad with some mayonnaise. Then over here, Brussels sprouts, a whole bag. I'll cook those up today. Then we've got 2 bags of onions. Look at this. Wonderful yellow onions. I love these. You can even use these in hoagies. Make onion soup with these. Oh my goodness. Add them to a salad. They're great. Then we've got 2 bags of carrots. Carrot salad. Or just boil them. Or put some cinnamon, butter, and a little bit of sugar on them. Glaze them. Oh, yes, yes. Then check this out. I've got some dried blueberries. I could reconstitute these in some water, make it into like a jam, boil it down, and make some blueberry bars with the oatmeal I got over there. Wouldn't that be good? Or put these in some cupcakes, or a cake itself, or even a pie. Then over here, I'm really excited about this. Collard greens. I got 2 bags of them. I'm gonna make some wonderful greens. I got some smoked meat. Yep, gonna make that. Look at this. Look at this. Really good, healthy choices here with the produce. Then, I gotta open this up. I got some frozen peaches. These are so handy. I'm gonna keep them frozen because guess what? These are gonna be my smoothies. Yep. Just throw them in your orange juice, your apple juice, or some milk and yogurt. Blend it up. Delicious. Use a sweetener of your choice if you choose to. Then I've got some frozen turkey. I think this is turkey. Let me take a look at this. No, it's it's ground chicken. Many people do not know, but I love a good chicken burger. Or I could make my chicken tacos. I am crazy about chicken tacos. Then I have a whole chicken I can use for roasting, or boil it and pull it apart and make it soup, or split it, spread it out, spatchcock, put it on the grill and smoke it. Then we've got some wonderful things. Alaskan pollock fish nuggets. Throw these in the fryer or the oven, and you've got a wonderful dish you can serve for the kids or for yourself. Then over here we got some dried beans, my favorite, navy beans. I love navy beans. Love them. Then we got some pinto beans. These are good. And to top it, some instant milk. I'll show you my formula. Well, you already got that. I got a video on that. How you make this taste really good. I love this stuff, especially when it's partially frozen. It's really good. Now let's take a view of everything we got. Especially that produce. And our goodies right here. Now tell me that wasn't a wonderful, bountiful blessing. Now, this particular haul right here, I'm going to give to someone else most of this food, okay? And they're going to let me keep a couple things that I just would like. But this is for someone else. Now, I've got to do that run later today after I do this video. But I want you to think about the things I've said. Think about the things you can make with this. Always choose those wonderful produce items from the food pantry because it is more expensive to live healthy than it is to live with junk food, okay? So always choose the wonderful produce from the food pantry, okay? Let's keep it healthy, all right? Now, I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe, I want you to write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Let me know your thoughts, let me know your ideas, let me know your requests. If you need something, just let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you out, okay? If you need to find a food pantry in your area, let me know where you live. Maybe I can look something up and find out. Also, look up the Greater Food Depository, okay? Look that up. They have locations all over the U.S., okay? I'm thinking, is there anything else? Oh, I'm going to do as many cold pasta and cold salads, dishes, summer dishes that I can do all this week for you guys, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris, and I will see you on the next video.